Hey guys, welcome back. I have gotten some stuff from Aliexpress to work with on my nails, so I figured I'd show you guys. Honestly, some of these things took a month, some things took 2 months, and some even took 4 months. So I will leave as many links as I can in the description box below. If the link you're searching for is not there, I apologize. It's just been too long, I'm afraid. First on top, I have 10 of these nail buffers. And yeah, they didn't really mention a grid, but these are actually extremely soft, which is not bad, but I've had these purple ones before where a grid was like much heavier, so I was a little surprised, but I can still definitely use them. Oh, by the way, forgive my nails, I'm redoing them, changing the nail design, so that's why they're kind of dull. But I got so many nail decals. This is like quite insane. I will leave the links to the stores where I got the nail decals because I can't link all of them separately. It will be too much work, so sorry about that. This is, I don't know what it is. Did I open this already? Guess not, guess not. Where is the, oh yes, okay, let's see this. Whoa. Okay, so these are like a cartoony, kind of like nail decals. Oh, these are cute actually. So are these. Oh, the shoes. Oh. And yeah, I don't know everything that's going on over here. It's a lot. Yeah, kind of like beauty, cartoonish. Oh, now we have fish. Okay. They are pretty though. Very colorful. Like it. Okay. Next, I think this one was a gift because I'm pretty sure I did not order this. A gift from a seller where I bought a ton of decals. They're like the peacock for your nail tips decals. Okay, we have some stars in red and gold. Okay, we have some full cover nail decals over here. What do we have here? This is, oh, okay. This is Disney. These are actually white, so you can't really see them, these decals. Okay, another cartoony kind of like beauty and butterflies and all that stuff. Oh, we have some more stars. These are pretty. This is something I really cannot explain, so I'm just going to show it. Really don't know what to make of it. These are some flowers, and again a lot of white decals, which you can kind of see when I play with the light here. But yeah. Again, cartoony, love, and crosses. So I do believe these were like a originally like this. They just cut them in half to sell them. But these are like watercolor nail decals, and they are awesome. Very pretty. Okay, the light is not really helping right now. but I hope you can see what these look like. They're so pretty. We actually have some diamonds, but in a decal form. We have some owls. Well, actually a lot of them. And even more. These are more like the full cover nail decal. Yeah, cool. We have some paw prints. Okay, we have some bows in white and silver. No, black and silver. Black and white. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. White and silver is actually background. Never mind. These are actually completely identical. They're just black and white. And they're cute. I found this decal, these decals of raccoons. Cartoonish kind of raccoons. But I had to get it. These are, yeah, these are like different kind of like patterns. We have the cheetah, the cameo. This is sort of like a snake pattern, a zebra pattern. Again, a cheetah and a brown cameo. I really hope the camera's picking it up because I'm not sure, but oh yeah, these are so pretty. Ooh. Look at those. It's nail decal overload in this video. They're so pretty. And this was, I guess, yeah, the other part. Look at the birds. Very cool. Okay, so we have some more decals over here. I think I ordered these separately from a different seller, so I will link these if I can. But these are like the marbled kind of effect, because I really have trouble doing that, you know, myself. So these are actually decals that have the marble effect. And they're very pretty. Got the black ones with the gold. We have some blue ones. Yeah, these are really, really awesome. Okay, what do we have here? We have some nail Aurora glass paper. I haven't even opened this, but I'm guessing it's just some sort of like, oh yeah, this is very soft. Actually, you can cut these and actually place them on your nail. This was another idea of mine to sort of like mimic the marble design. So we have 4 different colors. We have gold, blue, black, and silver. This, by the way, took like 4 months or something, so keep that in mind. I have 2 stamping plates. This one is from Beauty Big Bang. Come on. And this was actually a snake plate. It has like different kinds of scales and some snakes. I think I'm holding it upside down. Not that it matters a whole lot, but you know, it's just awesome. So, another stamping plate. This one actually has footprints, paw prints, and it has a bunch of spiders, so that's of course why I had to get it. Yeah, I don't know what this is. never gonna use that part, but yeah, I thought this was kind of cute. So, okay, we have a Nicole Diary top coat. I've been using, I am able to use a lot of the gel polishes from Nicole Diary, so I figured I'd get the top coat. This is the ingredient list if you want to see it. Just pause the video. Yeah, this is safe for me to use. So, and I'm always looking for top coats because those are a challenge. So, pretty excited to try that one. We have a itty bitty dipping kit. The bottles itself are huge. Look at this. Your sugar, 15 ml bottles. I have the base, the top, and the activator. But the pots of the dip powder are like the tiniest things ever. But this was a special set. They had lots of different colors. And, you know, actually the only color that doesn't have any shimmer is the blue one. This is actually purple glitter, pink glitter, and this is it has some shimmer in there. But it's basically solid color. It's of course hard to show you guys, but yeah, this is the only one without any shimmer in there. These pots are tiny. They're so tiny. But yeah, I heard they upgraded that formula, and these bottles definitely do look a lot different than the ones I had before. So, you know, just kind of testing out if it is easier to work with now. So, okay, we have some snake foils. Yeah, there's some snake patterns going on in this video as well. So these are, I don't know how many different snake foils, snake skin foils. 5, 6. It's a rainbow one. It's pretty. And again, these nail foils are also something I really struggle with, and I have to practice a whole lot with these before I would be able to use them on my nails. Okay, we have some more polishes. After the Vanillisa tests, I had to get a top coat. This one is a matte. A normal, what's this? Normal top coat. And a color polish. And the color of the bottle is actually exactly the... Don't do this to me, okay. The color of the polish, which is something I really like that they do at Vanillisa. Oh, we have ingredients on this one. Okay, can't use this one. We don't have ingredients on the top coats. But yeah, the color coats, I didn't even check it before, but it has trimethylbenzoyl in it, so cannot use them. But these two, I'm gonna have to test to see if I can use them later on. I don't know what this is. Okay, never mind. Next, I have some tiny itty bitty roses, acrylic roses in blue and like a dark pink. They make a nice sound. Okay. I have some silver skulls, but these are more like the, you know, sugar skulls, kind of. They're not too big at all, as you can see. Very, very cute. Now this is something that has been on its way for like, I don't know, I think this took like 5 months to get to me. These AB rhinestones, the SS3, and I think these are the SS, they look exactly the same. So they look exactly the same size, but I think these are the SS2. But it doesn't say anything on it. Because I like small rhinestones. I don't like the big bling. I don't know why. But yeah, I use a ton of these all the time. So glad I made it over here. Some more nail art. I have some hearts. They're actually nicely curved to fit the nail. And you can actually just put your own gel color in there, create your own heart gem if you like. These are just the coolest. I saw these and I was like, I have to get these. I don't know if I'm ever going to use them, but okay, let's make this work. Can you see what it is? It's a sword with 2 rhinestones on them. These are like tiny swords. And I just thought it was cute, so yeah. These are, I have a ton of these in gold, but I wanted to get them in silver as well. These are just the very large hearts, the open hearts. And they're so pretty. Okay, are we there yet? Okay, this is yeah, another attempt of me to save some plastic in this universe, but these are like short tips. I don't keep my nails that long, so you know, I was like, okay, can we just get some short tips because I'm always wasting so much plastic. These actually have a well in them. And they're nicely shaped, curved, and short. This is a size 7, by the way. So yeah, I'm gonna have to give these a go. Let's check out the largest size because I know that's usually a question. They don't have any numbers on the backs, which is kind of annoying, but I can fix it myself. These are size 2. Size 1, I don't know if size, no, size 0 is the largest one. Let me check it out. Okay, so this is a size 0. Oh, this would be way too big for So a nice variety in sizes. Okay guys, that was it. I don't know how long I've been doing this. 60 minutes, okay, or not. 18 minutes, okay. I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching, for being here. Be safe, stay healthy. I'm gonna work on my nails and I'll see you guys very soon.